Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I am Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our March 2021 Current Affairs MCQs, and here we are going to discuss many important questions after 15th March to up till 29th March. Okay, so this is going to be a very important session और हम ये सेशन को पहले प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं बिकॉज कल आप लोग का CMAT का एग्जाम है. ऑलराइट, so please watch the video till the end and also attempt the assignment questions which will be at the end of this video. And if you have any queries, you can please contact me on any of these social media platforms, and also please visit novation.in to get the free PDFs of these lectures. And if you find the content of Novation helpful, please go ahead and donate to Novation because Novation really needs your support. Alright, so with that, we'll start today's session. The first question for today: which of these first Indian gaming technology company is to go public recently? So it is going to launch its initial public offering. So this is a very important business awareness question. अगर आपने business awareness series 2021 और 2020 नहीं देखी है तो please आप उसको देखिए. It has many important business awareness questions. All right, the link will be in the description and also on the top right corner of your screen. So here the correct answer is A, Nazara Technologies. So Nazara Technologies will be the first gaming company in India to go public. So its founder is Mr. Nitesh Mittersain. He founded it in 2000, and it is one of the largest interactive gaming and sports media companies in India. Okay, and it has many important investors. For example, one of them is Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who's a very big trader in share market. Next, recently, who among the following teams has clinched their maiden Indian Super League title? Okay, so Indian Super League is basically football tournament in India, and recently Mumbai City Football Club won this tournament, and it defeated ATK Mohun Bagan Football Club in the finals, and it won its first ever Super League title. Okay, and as I told you, it is a professional football league of India, just like European League or any other league. All right. Next is the book My Life in Full, Work, Family and Our Future is a memoir of who among the following? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Indra Nooyi. She is the former CEO of PepsiCo, and this book is going to be published in September 2021 this year by Portfolio Books publisher, and this book is all about her childhood life to being the CEO of a company and how she became one of the world's most powerful business leaders. Next is, as per the World Air Quality Report of 2020 prepared by IQ Air, which is a Swiss organization, which of the following is the most polluted city globally? So friends, unfortunately our capital B, Delhi, is the most populated city in the world, and 22 cities in this list out of 30 are from India. Okay, and अगर second number की बात की जाए तो गाजियाबाद is the second most polluted city in the world, followed by Bulandshahr, Bisrak, Jalalpur and Noida. So these top 5 are from India, and around 22 cities are from India in top 30. Next, name the author of the book India's Power Elite, Caste, Class and Cultural Revolution. So friends, here the correct answer is D, Sanjaya Baru. Mr. Sanjaya is also the author of the book Accidental Prime Minister, and he was the former advisor to our former Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh. Next is, who among the following were the recipient of 2021 Pritzker Prize? So friends, what this prize is, we'll see. Here the correct answer is D, both B and C, Anne Lecotel and Jean Phillips Wessel. So friends, ये award दिया जाता है architecture के field में. All right. So it is awarded annually to honor living architect or architects who build work demonstrates a combination of those qualities of talent, vision and commitment. So इस साल Anne Lecotel and John Philip Wessel को मिला ये award, and both of them are French citizens. Next, in which of the following nations burglars, robbers and thieves are to be tagged with GPS trackers in a bid to stop them from re-offending? इसका मीनिंग है कि किस देश में burglars, robbers या thieves को GPS टैग दिया जाएगा, उन पे GPS मशीन लगाई जाएगी ताकि वो फिर से ये चोरी ना कर पाए या रॉबरी ना कर पाए. So they will be having a GPS tag. So here the correct answer is C, the UK. All right. And so police will be cross-referencing the GPS data with the reports of new thefts. जहाँ पे भी नई चोरी हो रही है वहाँ पर इस GPS डेटा को ट्रैक किया जाएगा और देखा जाएगा कि कहीं पुराने ऑफेंडर्स ही तो नहीं है. एंड ऑफेंडर्स विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली टैग्ड फॉर अप टू 12 मंथ्स. अगर वो जेल से निकलते हैं तो उनको 12 मंथ्स तक टैग करके रखा जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, Which of the following international organization has joined hands with Toons Media and USO India for water conservation program? Friends, here the correct answer is B, UNESCO. Let's see the PTN. So the full form of UNESCO is United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. अभी जो water conservation program था friends, it was mainly targeting the students in the age group of 16 to 14 years. Alright, so it was a nationwide water conservation program, and these students 16 to 14 years old submitted their stories for animation short film to create awareness about water crisis in India. Now friends, this is a really good initiative, because if small children are taught that they need to conserve water, then these habits will be long lasting. Next, name the country which has been ranked as the world's most dangerous country to drive in. Very important. ड्राइव करने के लिए सबसे डेंजरस कंट्री कौन सी मानी गई है एक नई रिपोर्ट के अनुसार? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, साउथ अफ्रीका. इट इज द मोस्ट dangerous country to drive. Okay, it has the most dangerous roads. So out of these 56 countries which were in the study, Thailand came in the second position. So first is South Africa, second is Thailand, third is United States. You'll be surprised. All right. Then India is at the fourth place. Now सबसे ज़्यादा safe कौन सी countries हैं? वो है Norway. It is ranked number 1 as the most safest country to drive. Then Sweden and third is Japan. So आप इन तीनों points को याद रखिए. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next, and another important question, which of the following city is going to house India's first lithium ion cell production unit? So friends, अभी तक इंडिया में लिथियम आयन बैटरी या सेल्स प्रोड्यूस नहीं होते हैं. अब पहली बार कहाँ पे स्टार्ट होगा प्रोडक्शन? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर सी, महबूब नगर, एंड इट इज इन तेलंगाना. ओके. In a first energy park is going to come up in Mahbubnagar for manufacturing lithium ion cells, and it is going to provide employment directly or indirectly to around 10,000 folks. Alright, and battery manufacturer company like Charge XO and renewable energy company Greenco have come up to invest around 2,000 crores in around 100 acres for this project in Mahbubnagar. Next, according to a study released by defense website Military Direct, which country has the strongest military force in the world? So friends, this is a easy question, you can even guess it. So here the correct answer is C, China. So second position पे आता है USA, and then it is followed by Russia third, and India is on the fourth, then France on the fifth position. Alright, so this ranking was calculated by considering various factors. For example, the budget for military, inactive and active military personnel in the country, what is the air, sea and land resources for the country, and what is the average salary and weight of the equipment of the army personnel. Next, name the female singer who became the most awarded female artist in Grammy history with her 28th win. Very important question. So here the correct answer is C, Beyonce. So recently she won the Grammy, and this was her 28th win. So in 2021, again important point related to Taylor Swift, she became the first female performer to win Album of the Year 3 times. Her album was she has got third Grammy Award for the best album. Beyonce, as I told you, won her 28th win and became the most decorated woman in Grammy history. Next, recently the Gandhi Peace Prize for 2020 was conferred upon, the correct answer is B, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. अगर आपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का दौरा बांग्लादेश जब हुआ था अभी रिसेंटली, उसको आपने ध्यान से फॉलो किया है, सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दिस आंसर. So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is also called as the father of the nation for Bangladesh. He also served as the president and also as the prime minister of Bangladesh before he got assassinated. Alright. Next, which of the following teams won the first Road Safety World Series 2020 title recently? Friends, here the correct answer is B, India Legends. So India Legends and all these Legends team, they basically constitute the players, former players of their cricket teams. Okay, and Yuvraj Singh and Yusuf Pathan struck a quick-fire 50 in India for India Legends, and they beat Sri Lanka Legends by 14 runs to win the inaugural trophy of Road Safety World T20 Series. Next, who has been recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, which is the governing body for Aadhaar cards. So here the correct answer is C, Saurav Garg. You can see Mr. Saurav in the photograph. Next, name the author of the book 1232 Kilometers, The Long Journey Home. Friends, here the correct answer is C, Vinod Kapri. So Mr. Vinod tells a story of 7 migrant laborers who during the time of coronavirus last year, they left on cycle to their hometowns or to their villages, and from their journey was from Ghaziabad of Uttar Pradesh to Saharsa, Bihar, which spanned around 1232 kilometers. Okay. Next, in a bid to tackle the rise in suicide rate, which country has appointed its first ever minister for loneliness? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Japan. To some of us or many of us, this might seem quite funny, but no, it is really a serious issue, and unless and until governments are trying to tackle this issue, this will keep on growing. So governments, I would appreciate the Japanese government for having a ministry for such a serious issue. So to tackle the rise of suicide rates for the first time in 11 years in Japan, due to the COVID pandemic, Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga has appointed Tetsuhide Sakamoto as the first ever Minister of Loneliness in Japan. Okay, now friends, here are your assignments. आप मुझे बताइए नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड्स 2021 जो रिसेंटली अभी लॉन्च हुआ है या कन्फर्म हुआ है, उनमें बेस्ट एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस कौन है, हु इज द बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस, बेस्ट हिंदी फिल्म एंड मोस्ट फिल्म फ्रेंडली स्टेट. ये चारों चीज़ें आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइएगा. ओके. And who is the writer of the book My Experiments with Silence? So you can say, if I give you a hint, he's a famous small screen actor. He has come in various TV shows. So who has been recently conferred the Maharashtra Bhushan Award? So another important question. The highest honor by state government presented annually. आप मुझे ये तीनों questions please comment section में answer कीजिए. Then I'll tell you the correct answers. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope the video was helpful, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, static GK, verbal ability, etc. And as always, please visit novation.in. Novation really needs your support, so please go ahead and donate to Novation. That will be really helpful for us to provide you with quality content. Alright friends, all the very best for tomorrow's exam. I know you're going to ace it. So I'll close today's session. Bye bye, and I'll meet you again next time.